Hello everyone, am I audible? Hello.
Hi, Nora.
Hi, I'm audible, right?
You are audible.
Okay. Okay, so you got the link now because I was waiting here from 5:30.
5:30.
Yeah, I mean, sorry, I mean in the sense 7 o'clock.
Okay, we got 5 minutes before only.
5 minutes before?
Just കുറച്ചേരായിട്ടുള്ളൂ കിട്ടിയിട്ട്.
അങ്ങനെ. Okay. Let's start. So you all practice the changing the file permission using symbolic method. ചെയ്തോ? Anyone? Or Yedu, Basil, Midul, Anshmal, tell me. Have you tried?
Yes, ma'am.
It's working
Yes.
for you?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay. So then, okay, then what we will do is we will just try asking questions to each other and we will finalize that and we'll move on to the next method. Okay. So let me share my screen. One sec. Let me connect. Okay. Okay, Midul, can we start from you? Can you ask question? What do you want to, which file, what do you want to change? And let the other people answer it. Midul. ആരാ ചോദിക്കുന്ന? മിഥുൽ ചോദിക്കുക. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ലേ മിഥുൽ? Ajmal,
Hello.
yeah. Can you ask one question to the other members? Let's say you want to change the file permission of a file, okay? What do you want to change? Question clear ആയോ മിഥുൽ?
മനസ്സിലായി.
Okay. Okay, ask. We are waiting.
Please change the
Okay.
please change the user permission for F1 file.
Okay, so you want to change the file permission of F1 file, especially user, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to change? Change in the sense what exactly? What is the current permission of user?
Okay.
What is the current permission?
Read write.
Read writer. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you want to change it to?
Change only for read. Make it as read
Make
file.
it as read. Okay. Make it as read. Okay. So he's saying that make it as read for user for F1. So can anybody else answer the question? How exactly we can do that?
chmod space u minus r file name.
U minus R ആണോ? He
അല്ല,
said he want to make it as read, right?
read മാത്രമല്ലേ? അപ്പോ
Yes.
u minus w.
U minus W. Okay. Is there any other way you can make it as read only? Instead of U minus W, is there any
U
other
equal
way?
to R.
Exactly. U equal to
equal to
R, right? Okay, whatever you said is also correct. This is also correct. Okay, so you can do it in two ways. Either CH mod is equal to U equal to R. CH mod space U equal R. So automatically they will remove the write permission. Else what you can do, because this particular case you already know what is the permission. That's why you are performing U minus W, right? So whichever is feasible for you. Okay, is it got changed? F1? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now Ajmal, ask one question. Who and all was not there in the last session, Friday? Gauri was not there, right? And
Yes.
Yadu and Yadu and who
ഞാനും
else?
ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല, രണ്ട്
Ah.
ഡേയ്സിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല.
Have you gone through the recordings or something, Basil?
ഉച്ച കഴിഞ്ഞ റെക്കോർഡിങ്സ് കിട്ടി, ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് രാത്രി നോക്കിക്കോളാം.
Okay. കാരണം ഇത് അതിന്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂഷൻ ആയിരുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ,
Okay, ഗൗരിയോ?
റെക്കോർഡിങ്സ് നോക്കിക്കോളാം എന്നായിട്ട്.
Okay. Okay, so അവരോട് okay. Okay, fine. നോക്കിയിട്ട് വാ. Gauri, what about Gauri? Have you gone through recordings or something?
ആപ്പില് ഡേ 8 മാത്രമേ അപ്ലോഡഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ലൈക് ഫ്രൈഡേയുടെ കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല. ഞാനത് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Okay, fine. Okay, because we have discussed something known as changing the file permission of a file, and there is two methods in which we can do, and one was symbolic. So this is how we do the symbolic way. Okay, so please try to watch that recordings, and before you attend the class, let's tell them. Okay, tell them to share the recordings so that you can attend before the class. Okay, so please tell them to share, like I'll also tell them to share it as soon as possible. Okay, fine. So Ajmal, yeah, next question.
So can anyone add in F3 all permission to other?
Okay. He want to add all permission to F3 to others. So rest of the people, what's the answer? How do you do that?
CH mode. O
CH mode.
plus
O plus
R,
R.
then comma O plus
അതിന്റെ ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ? കൊമേഡിന്റെ ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ?
അല്ല ഇല്ലില്ല, ഒറ്റ ഇതിലാണ്.
കാറ്റഗറി ഉണ്ട്.
അതെ.
RW.
RWX.
Yeah, that's it. RWX. Is it correct, Ajmal?
Correct. നമുക്കിത് ഈക്വൽ ഇടാലോ.
Yeah, you can put equal also. Okay. Fine. Now, next question. Who answered it actually?
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു.
Mithul. Okay. Okay, let's go for Sabrinath. Can you ask one question, Sabrinath? Hello. Is he there? Sabrinath? What about Maz? Maz, are you there? Like where you? Yeah, where you attended last session?
Yeah, last Friday.
Okay. So can you ask one question here?
we can add permission and remove permission and execute permission at the same time.
Which directory?
F3.
Okay, you want to change something in F3. Okay, what exactly you want to do?
I wanna add write remove read.
You want to add write. Okay, from where? From which category?
Category one.
Yeah, category, user, group, other categories there, right?
User.
Okay.
User.
So you want to remove the write from the user. That's what you say?
Yeah.
Okay, then only that.
Then assign execute
Assign execute to
same user.
you said you want to remove write from the user, then you want to assign it. Then there will not be any, you are performing two action on the same, category.
Oh, can we do that? Just asking.
Okay.
Can do
So
same.
see what you're doing is when you remove the write from user, okay, what will be the user left with? Read, right?
Yeah, read.
Yeah, so it will be chmod u minus w f3, correct? Now you have r hyphen hyphen. Then what you're doing is you want to assign it. So you will be performing chmod u is equal to x. Okay, so that automatically r will get removed and you will have only x, which is hyphen hyphen x. Okay, so you have to run that as a two commands. Why? Because you are performing a different activity, right? Different operation on a same category, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like you're adding and subtracting same time. Is it possible? No, right? At least one at a time, right? For a single category, one at a time. Okay.
നമുക്ക് യൂസറിൽ ലൈക്ക് മൈനസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാലോ ഒരു സിംഗിൾ കമന്റിൽ.
Yeah, that is possible. That is multiple category, no? Here he is talking about same category but multiple operation.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
അത്
Okay.
മറ്റേ പൈപ്പ് ലൈൻ അങ്ങനെ വെച്ചിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
പൈപ്പ്ലൈൻ വെച്ചിട്ട് പൈപ്പ്ലൈൻ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഐ തിങ്ക് പൈപ്പ്ലൈൻ വെച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും തോന്നുന്നു. ഞാനത് അങ്ങനെ ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിയിട്ടില്ല. പൈപ്പ്ലൈൻ വെച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമെന്നാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്. I'll have to check that. Okay. So now what exactly we're doing over here is what exactly you want to do, Mars? Just ask a question to the other members. So they'll tell us the command.
Since different now we can do it different category like add something in others, remove from users and
Yeah, you can
execute
do
in,
that. Yes, you can do that. No problem. Okay. So you ask one question saying that you want to add execute permission to the user or something of that sort. So that they'll give you the command.
Okay. Add write in users.
You want to add write in users of which file? Can you tell me the file first?
Fruit.
Which one? Fruits. Okay. Fruits. You want to add what?
Write users.
Right.
In users.
But in fruits, write is already there, no?
Oh, didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, remove writes.
Remove write. Okay, from the user. Okay.
Yeah.
Only that's it?
And remove and in others same in fruits.
Okay.
Remove execute
from others.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah, that's
okay. Okay, yeah, rest of the people answer the question.
chmod space u minus r
U minus R, okay,
comma വേണോ or space o minus x f3
comma,
Comma.
yes. O minus
Comma.
X
space f3 fruits ആണോ
space
fruits
F3. Okay,
fruits
fruits
ആണോ
അല്ലേ? Fruits ആണ്, fruits ആണ്.
spelling
U minus R ആയിരുന്നോ W ആയിരുന്നോ? If Mars, you wanted to remove
Yeah.
the read or write?
Right.
Right. So it is
W.
U minus W. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So what we are doing over here is we are removing write from the user. Okay. And we are removing execute from the others and separated by a comma because it is a different category. Okay. So is it correct, Mars? This is what you want to do?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So you can able to see it is R-X right now because the W is got removed from the user and here the execute is removed from the others. Okay. Now let's say, okay, let me show you on something. Chmod. Okay, I want you to look at F1, okay? Okay, can you look the before and after and tell me what exactly happened when I perform chmod a plus x on F1?
എക്സിക്യൂഷൻ എല്ലാത്തിലും ആഡ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്
എല്ലാത്തിലും എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ്?
എല്ലാ ഗ്രൂപ്പിലും അതായത്
എല്ലാ ഗ്രൂപ്പിലും
എല്ലാ-
യൂസർ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്
അതേഴ്സിലും
Yes,
എല്ലാത്തിലും.
എല്ലാ കാറ്റഗറീസിലും അല്ലേ? Right. So here what's happening? A means all. Okay, all category means user, group and others. So we have only 3 categories, correct? User, group and others. So when you are mentioning A, then what exactly you're mentioning? You're mentioning all category. So when I'm saying A plus X, I'm saying that please add execute permission for who? All the categories. So when you look at F1, you can see that, one second. Sorry, guys. Okay. So when you're adding an execute permission, you're adding to the every category. And when you compare F1 and F1 before and after, you can able to see that F1 was only having read for every category. When I'm saying A plus X, you can able to see that execute is added everywhere. Okay. Now see this. Chmod A equal W for F1. So can anybody tell me, after I perform this command, what will be the expression for F1? Just like you can see R-X, R-X, R-X for F1, right? So after I perform this command, how exactly I can see this particular permission? For F1. If I do ls minus l for f1, what can I see? Tell me. A equal W. You know what is equal? You know what is A? You know what is W? Right? Not Ajmal. What permission F1 will be having? One sec.
Question എന്തായിരുന്നു?
What permission F1 will have after I perform this command?
എല്ലാത്തിനും ഉണ്ടാവും. റൈറ്റ് പെർമിഷൻ മാത്രമായിരിക്കും.
Sec. Okay. For every category, there will be a W permission. So I want you to tell me the expression, how it will be. For example, F1 has R-X, 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 right? Okay. Now if I do ls minus l, what can I see on the F1? Expression, how it will be?
Like R hyphen hyphen.
R hyphen hyphen hyphen.
അല്ല. Hyphen W hyphen.
Yeah, okay.
Hyphen W hyphen. Hyphen W hyphen.
Exactly. Okay, can you see that? See? Okay, now see this. Chmod A equal R F1. Now can you tell me what will be the expression?
Like R hyphen hyphen, R hyphen hyphen, R hyphen hyphen.
Exactly. That's correct. See this. Okay, look at everybody. Now chmod A equal X F1.
Hyphen hyphen x hyphen hyphen x hyphen hyphen x.
Exactly. Yes, that's correct. Okay, now what about this? What about this? Do you have pen and paper, everybody? Write it down. What is the current, current permission of F1 and what will be the permission after adding W?
WX hyphen X.
How exactly? Can you come again?
Hyphen WX hyphen WX.
Yeah, correct. Hyphen WX, hyphen WX, hyphen WX. Yes, that's correct. Okay, what about this? How it will be?
R hyphen hyphen R hyphen hyphen R.
A plus R.
എല്ലാ പെർമിഷനും ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ?
Yeah. So എല്ലാ permission എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ expression എങ്ങനെയിരിക്കും?
RWX.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So are you people are able to, grasp this like quickly, or is it taking time for you guys? So do you want me to practice on the same thing today? Or shall we move on to the next method? What do you say? Do you want to practice this much more?
Numerical.
Yeah, the next one is numerical, but this one, the symbolic way. How many of you are like completely okay with this method? What, Maz? Is it okay for you, or Do we need to do this again?
Is it okay, ma'am? But this they call it after assigning, we have to check R hyphen. That's
That
I think
permission.
it's
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
That I
So
think I'm
for
finding
that,
difficult
what you
in
need to do is, you know, if you have a pen and paper in front of you,
Yeah.
okay, take down the current permission of the file. Okay, we'll do it. Everybody, do you have a pen and paper with you? Everyone has? Okay, even Gauri, everybody, you can just try this out, okay? So what exactly we are doing over here is, I can just give you a glimpse of it. You know, we were trying to change the file permission of a file. And there is a syntax for it. How exactly? Let me just tell you. See this. Okay, so what we are doing over here is we are changing the file permission of a file by using something known as symbolic way. How do you do that in symbolic way? See, currently this is the syntax. The syntax is saying that chmod, category you need to mention, operation and permission. Okay, so here you can able to see that what are the categories? User, group and others. Only 3 categories. Okay, because when it comes to a permission, if you take a permission, it is a 9-bit character. Okay, so whenever you do a file attribute, okay, ls minus l, you can able to see a particular area which is a 9-bit character. And that 9-bit character we have split it. Can you see that? U, G and O. U stands for user, G stands for group and O stands for others. Okay, and you can able to see that the first 3-bit belongs to user and it is explaining what is a user permission. And the second 3-bit it belongs to group and it is actually explaining the permission of the group. And the last 3-bit belongs to others and it is exactly explaining what the permission others have on that particular file. Okay, fine. Then we have operation. Operation is nothing but plus, minus and assign. Okay, so let's say adding a permission, removing a permission, assigning the permission. Okay, then we have permissions, obviously, read, write and execute, and it is symboled as R, W and X. Okay, now come back over here. Now we can able to see on the left hand side of this file, these are the file permission of these files. Okay, now look, take one example. Okay, one single example. Let's say,
ഒരു കാര്യം കൂടി ചോദിക്കട്ടെ, ഇതില് ഇത് ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ ഹിസ്റ്ററി ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഹിസ്റ്ററി എല്ലാം പോകും.
ഹിസ്റ്ററി ഇവിടെ ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ സ്ക്രീനിൽ പോകും ആക്ച്വലി, ബട്ട് യു ഗെറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് ലൈക്ക് ഫ്രം ഹിയർ whatever you performed. Okay,
അതല്ല ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് ഈ
ടെർമിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പുതിയത്
ഇൻസ്റ്റൻസ്
അത് ടെർമിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പുതിയ സെഷൻ ആവുമ്പോ പുതിയ സെഷൻ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തത് അവിടെ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാവും. അതായത് കമാൻഡ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണോ നിങ്ങൾ
സെയിം ഇൻസ്റ്റൻസ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്യാണെങ്കിൽ അല്ല ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. ടെർമിനേറ്റ്
ചെയ്താ പിന്നെ പോയില്ലേ. ടെർമിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. ദെൻ ആ ഇൻസ്റ്റൻസേ നിങ്ങൾക്കില്ലല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ, look at this, everybody. You can see 2 directories, right? And currently, if you look at the permission of the directories, you can able to see what is the user permission?
All permission,
All permission. What is the group permission?
execution and read.
Okay, what about others?
Only execute permission.
Others are
Alla, others.
Read and execute.
read and
read and
execute. Okay, so Gauri, are you understanding? The first, so how did Ajmal say that? Because we have already explained you the first 3-bit belongs to user, the second 3-bit belongs to group, and the last 3-bit belongs to others. Okay, Gauri and Basil. Basil and Yadu also, right? Are you understanding? Hello. Gauri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
A bit doubtful, but I
yeah.
think if I rewatch the recording,
Ah,
I will
yeah,
be fine.
Okay. Yeah, just try to like get it something like this. Okay. That there is a 9-bit character when it comes to a permission. Okay. And the first 3-bit belongs to user category. And the second 3-bit belongs to group category. And the last 3-bit belongs to other category. Okay. Please keep that in your mind. If you have a pen and paper, please write down just like I did. See, like this. Please write it down. Okay. So from this, you will understand which particular bit belongs to who. Okay. Now, can you tell me, Gauri, there is a directory known as TLY. Okay. And look at the permission of TLY. Can you split these 9-bit character into the into like 3-bit and 3-bit and 3-bit and tell me what is the permission user has? Can you try? Yadu or Gauri, whichever. Look at the TLY directory. And there is a permission, a 9-bit character, which is RWX, R-S, R-X. And as I mentioned, first 3-bit belongs to who? Belongs to which category? Yeah, Yadu, tell me.
ഞാൻ ഫ്രൈഡേ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു മാം.
Yeah, you were there? Okay, I thought you were not there. Yeah, Gauri, tell me. Just try telling. We'll just correct it out. So first 3-bit belongs to Basil, user. Okay, and the second 3-bit belongs to group. Okay, so if the second 3-bit belongs to group, then what is the permission of group? What does R means? R stands for
read.
read. X stands for execute. Execute. Yes. So when you look at here, you can see R and X, right? Meaning that read and execute for the which category? Can you tell me whatever, I have marked some, right? Can you tell me which category I'm pointing into? User, group or other? Group. Yeah. Have you written on this? Have you written this particular thing on your notebook? Have you written? If you have written this, you will get to know. Okay, so first 3-bit user, second 3-bit group. So it's like UGO. Okay, UGO. Keep that in your mind. Always. The order will be UGO. Okay, great. Okay, fine. Now, let's add some permission. Let's remove some permission. Okay, fine. So the command to change the file permission is chmod. Okay. Now I want to make some changes in the file permission of CNN. Okay. So I have user, I have group and others, right? Okay. Now what I'm saying is I want to remove Okay, I want to remove write permission from user category. Okay, so I'm saying user category, right? Okay, so I'll be mentioning you at the first because that's the category that I have to mention. Then what did I say? Did I say remove or add? What did I say, Basil?
Remove.
Remove. So what is the representation of remove? The remove representation is plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Okay, so we will mention minus here. Okay, now what permission I said I want to remove? What permission did I say?
Read.
Okay, read. Let it be read. So what is the representation for read actually?
Um,
R, right? Yeah, R.
R.
So what exactly you said? What exactly we did right now? U minus R. What is U?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what
User.
is U? User.
User.
Okay, so user is ultimately category, right? What is this
Yeah.
minus?
Remove.
Remove. What is the R?
Read.
Okay, so this clearly indicating what? Removing,
We removed
removing read from
user.
user. Okay, this is what it is indicating. Okay, then you need to mention which file. Okay, that's for sure. Okay, now
Yeah.
do the ls minus l. Can you see? Look at the user of CNN. Okay, look at the before and after. What happened? Is there any change over there, Basil?
Read is removed.
Read is removed. Obviously. Now, can you tell me? This is U minus R we performed for removing the read permission. Can you tell me how can we add it? Chmod. Okay, I want to add. Add means what is the operation we need to use?
Plus.
Plus, right? Okay, I want to add read permission.
U plus R.
U plus R, exactly, yes. Okay, that's how it works. For which file? CNN. Do ls minus ln check. What happened? Have you got the read permission?
Yeah. Read is.
Yes.
Back.
Exactly. Okay, now let's say that's for user, right? Okay, let's go for group. Okay, for group. Group, what is the representation? How do we represent group? G. Okay, please take a screenshot of this or please take a note in your notepad. Okay, so G is the representation for group. Okay, so we want to add or remove any permission from group. Okay, for example, I'm saying I want to remove execute from group. What I want to do? I want to remove execute from group. Okay, so group. How do I mention group? What is the short form? G. I said I want to remove. Which operation? Remove minus. I want to remove execute permission.
X. G minus X.
G minus X. Did you got it? Okay, look at the permission. Yeah, look at the permission right now. Is it removed? Can you look at the group and check? Is execute removed from the group or no? Of TLY.
Yeah, it's removed.
Yes. Okay, Gauri, are you able to follow or still confusion?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
You got it. Okay, great. Now, Gauri, tell me. I want to add. Okay, listen to my sentences. I want to add write permission. Add means what is the operation you will use, Gauri?
Plus.
Plus. I want to add write permission. So what is that? Write means what is the notation you will use?
W.
W. It is plus W, right? Plus W. So I'm saying that I want to add write permission. To which category? To others. So how do we represent others?
O.
O, right? So it will be chmod. Chmod. O plus W.
W.
Small w, okay, sorry. TLY. LS minus L. Can you check before and after? Can you check the before and after of TLY? This is the file permission before R-X. This is the file permission after. So W is added or no?
Yes.
Yes. Let's say I want to remove execute permission from others. How will you do it? Chmod?
O minus X.
O minus X. You got it, right? Okay. So ultimately, this is what we discussed. But multiple things also, like now you know about minus and plus. There is something known as hyphen also. Sorry, not hyphen. What is that? Equals. Okay. Okay. I'm going to perform equal. Only Basil and Gauri and who else was not attended. Those people have to say, okay. So I'm performing one command. You need to tell me what exactly it did. Okay. Okay, I performed a command known as O equal R. What is O, guys? Others. Okay, what is equal? Equal means what operation? Assign, okay? Read, R for read, correct? Okay, so I'm mentioning chmod O equal R for TLY. But can you analyze what was the permission for TLY before I was mentioning this command? What was it? Okay, 1 second. Let me just do it from first, okay? Maybe I think I have not shown you. Now tell me. Okay, what is the current, what is the permission of TLY for others? What's the permission? Can anybody look it and tell me? Basil and Gauri and who else was? Look at the permission of TLY for others. What is it? What is it?
Hyphen.
Read
Hyphen.
R-hyphen, correct? Which
Hyphen,
means
hyphen.
read permission for others, correct? Okay. Now what am I doing? I'm saying O equal X, right? Okay. So O means others, X means execute, equal means assign. Now I'll do an ls minus L for you. Now you need to compare. Can you compare before the permission of TLY before and the permission of TLY later? And can you tell me what happened? Gauri, look at it carefully.
R was replaced with X.
R was replaced by X. Okay, so TLY was having R before. Now it has only X. What happened to R? It got removed, right? Yeah. Okay. Now the same thing I want to happen for TLY. Okay, I want to happen for TLY, but for a group. How can I do that? I want the R to get replaced by X. How can I do that?
G equals to R.
G equals to? R is already there,
X.
right?
Oh,
G equal to X, right? Okay. Yes, that's a correct answer. G equal to X if we perform, R will get replaced by X. Okay, that's correct. But let's say you don't know about equal. Okay, you don't know about equal. Okay, but I'm saying that I don't want R for the group. I want X for the group. What do we do?
G minus R.
Yes. First you will perform G minus R. Correct? Then what you will perform after G minus R?
അത് സെയിം
Then G plus
കമാൻഡിൽ തന്നെ
X.
ഇട്ടാ മതിയാവൂ. CH mod minus R plus X അങ്ങനെ കൊടുത്തു.
Minus R plus X. No, it's a
അതല്ല.
two different notation അല്ലേ?
അതല്ല CH mod ഇപ്പോ ഇതില് ഈ CNN എന്നുള്ളതില് യൂസറിന്റെ W X ഒരുമിച്ച് മാറ്റണമെങ്കിൽ CH mod യൂസറിന്റെ U പിന്നെ മൈനസ് W minus X എന്ന് കൊടുത്താൽ വർക്കാവും.
മൈനസ് എക്സ് അതിന്റെ ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ? Because see, currently what you need to understand from here is, look at TLY, okay? When you look at the TLY, in the group, what is the permission it has? Group.
Only read അല്ല.
Only read. Now I'm saying I want that read to be get replaced by X. Okay, but the shortest way to do that is G is equal to X, correct? That's what Gauri said. But instead of, let's say you don't know about equal. Okay, you don't know about equal. How will you accomplish that if you don't know equal? Okay, so they are saying that for TLY,
CH.
for group, only you need X. How do you do that? First, what you will be doing? Somebody said Basil was saying something. First, what you will do, Basil?
Remove R.
Okay, first you will remove
G
R.
minus
Okay.
R.
Okay, so CH mod G minus R TLY. Okay, then what you will do? TLY. Okay, what happened? What happened if you perform this? Now, the TLY for the group, there is no permission. But I said I want X, right? Now what you will do? Basil.
You will add X plus G plus X.
Yes, G plus X. Correct. That's correct only. Okay, so how many command you performed? You actually wanted to remove something and you wanted to add something. Correct? Okay, so two different expression you wanted to perform on a same category. Okay, but this thing can be accomplished how? CH mod G equal X in a single shot. You don't need to actually remove the R. You don't need to add the R if you had performed G equal X. You got it, Gauri? Basil? Midul?
Yes, ma'am.
Midul clear ആണോ? ഇതിൽ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ച ചോദ്യം ഇതായിരുന്നോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വേറെന്തെങ്കിലും ആയിരുന്നു?
എനിക്ക് ക്ലിയർ ആയി. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞതേ ഇപ്പോ ഇതിലിപ്പോ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കൂ. CH മോഡ് ഇപ്പോ യൂസറിന്റെ അല്ലേ U മൈനസ് R പ്ലസ് X അങ്ങനെ വർക്ക് ആവുമെന്നാണ് ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത്. മൈനസ് R മൈനസ് X കൊടുത്തു നോക്കിയാൽ ഇതിലിപ്പോ രണ്ട് പെർമിഷൻ ഓൾറെഡി ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. മൈനസ് R അതെ അതെ. ഇനിയും
ഓക്കെ, എന്നിട്ട് ഫോർ വിച്ച് ഫയൽ?
ഇപ്പൊ ഇതിനാ വേണ്ട TLY കൊടുത്തു നോക്കിയാൽ
ഓക്കെ
വർക്കാവോ അറിയില്ല കേട്ടോ.
U minus R.
അതായത് ആ റീഡും എക്സിക്യൂട്ടും.
Okay, you meant to say, one second. You meant to say that removing multiple permission, U minus R. Pakshe, see, you can do this, you can do like this also, right? U minus RX. That's also possible, right? You're combining it together, right?
പക്ഷെ അത് വർക്ക് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ.
Yeah.
ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താൽ കുറച്ചുകൂടെ ഈസി ആയിരിക്കും. ഇതിൽ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ചെയ്താൽ കുറച്ച് കൺഫ്യൂസ് ആവും. പക്ഷെ അത് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
Yeah, it's working.
ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചതെന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പൊ ഒരെണ്ണം റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യും വേണം, അതിന്റെ ഒപ്പം ഒരെണ്ണം ആഡ് ചെയ്യും വേണം. അങ്ങനത്തെ ഞാനിപ്പോ രണ്ട് അതിൽ ഓൾറെഡി ഉള്ള കാരണമാണ് രണ്ട് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാൻ
Okay. Yeah, this will, I don't know, I didn't actually explore this. The assign was something that we will use when you want to add something and remove something at the same time. Because at that time, you know what you want. Okay, see, for example, when you're removing something, you're saying that you want to remove read and execute, or you want to remove read and add execute. Sorry. At that time, you know what you want, right? When you look at any category, you know what you exactly you want. For example, let's say you have RWX over here, okay, or R-X over here. So you are saying that you want to add W and you want to remove execute. So at the final output, you already know, right? What is the final output you want? You want RW. So you can assign it. That's what in a single shot you're doing it. Okay, so the same thing. Okay, this way is also possible. This is working right now. Okay. Maybe that kind of, because I thought that this syntax is completely different than the syntax that I have mentioned. Okay. Fine. Okay, so the symbolic way of changing the file permission is clear for you guys, right? Yes or no, everybody? Okay. Fine. Now, okay, I think I don't have time for today to discuss numerical, but however, there is one thing that I want you to practice and come, okay, which is create some multiple files. You might have already practiced the labs, right? Like, which is nothing but changing the file permission and all this stuff, correct? Now, okay, so you might have a lot of files. What I want you to do is, I just want you to take not only one, everything. Just copy it or write it down on your, sorry. Okay, just take it down on your notepad or maybe in your paper, wherever. Okay, so we're gonna split them into 3, as you already know. Okay, now what is the first 3 bit belongs to everybody?
Users.
User. What about this? This belongs to who?
Others.
Others. This belongs to who? Group. Okay, now I'm gonna break down this. Okay, RWX. Okay, so in this particular bracket, I'm going to actually assign a value for read, value for write, and value for execute. Okay, so the value for R is 4, everybody. Okay, value for W is 2, and value for X is 1. It's like, you know, what do you call it as? This is how in the numerical way we assign permissions, and X is equal to 1 because 2 to the power of, you know what is 2 to the power of 0? In octal numbers, this is octal numbers, okay? 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, and 2 to the power of 2. Do you people know this? So 2 to the power of 0, it's 1. 2 to the power of 1 is 1. 2 to the power of 2 is 2. Sorry, so 4. Okay, so that's how the calculation comes in. But however, I want you to write down, okay? Write down this. And we're going to substitute this value in here. Okay, can we substitute the value now? Okay, see. R, what is R? What is the value of R? 4 plus. What's the value of W? 2. What's the value of X? 1. Okay, now what's the value of R? 4. What's the value of hyphen? 0. What's the value of X? 1. Now what's the value of R? 4. What's the value of hyphen? 0. What's the value of X? 1. I have just substituted the values and added plus in between. Okay, now what will be 4 plus 2 plus 1? How much?
7.
7. 4 plus 0 plus 1?
5.
5. 4 plus 0 plus 1?
5.
5. So what I'm telling you over here is you can actually represent this particular expression into this octal numbers, guys. 7, 5, 5. Okay. So I want you to go ahead and collect all these permissions. So there might be multiple permissions, right? Okay, collect these permissions and try substitute this value and find out the octal number. Can you do that? Okay, we'll do one more time, okay? So this one we will do. Copy. Okay, can anybody try this? Breakdown. First we will break down. Okay, for the practice purpose. Okay, can anybody tell me what is the first breakdown? Substitute the value. Yeah, 4 plus
0 plus 1.
Yes. Then
4 plus 0 plus 1.
4 plus
4
0
plus-
plus 1.
Then 0, 0, 0.
4 plus 0 plus 1. Then 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. Now values
550.
550. Can you see that? Yeah. So can you convert an expression into octal numbers, everybody?
Sure.
Yeah. Try doing that. Okay. Try doing that and come tomorrow so that we will see this how to change the file permission using octal numbers. Okay. Okay, fine. So I think rest of the things will, so make sure whoever have not attended the session, I know you might have, I don't know, some of the people have got a glimpse of what we have done, but make sure you go through the recordings and come because this is all connected. Okay, the commands and everything is little connected. That's why. Else it would have been not a problem. So then tomorrow, including this, okay, including whatever we have learned today, please incorporate that and come. Okay, so that we will finish off file permission tomorrow in the tomorrow session, like the changing the file permission in numerical in tomorrow session. Okay, right? Or Ajmal? Okay for you?
Oh, okay.
Okay, great. Midul?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, then we will see on the next session better. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.